Turn that shit up though, like a beach, son.
Yeah.
Hey, Bart.
Nah, believe me. Yeah.
Bart.
Yeah, and you could call the nigga buck, bitch, yeah. And you can get your girlfriend fucked quick. Leave the bitch around me, dog. I ain't got no boundaries, dog. I like pussy, money, and guns around me, dog. Welcome to my world, it's fucked up. Them niggas talk shit, they get bucked up. Nigga knock up the buck, get that ass ran up. It's time to man up. Freeze, put your hands up. What the fuck's the plan, buck? We gon' get them stumped up. Niggas talk a lot of shit, then they getting dumped up. Once I pop that trunk up, niggas start to run though. Me, I flip the switch, see the beam up on that gun, ho. Yeah, I'm smoking weed, strand bubble gum, bitch. I'm getting head or pussy, that's a young bitch, yeah. Me, I'm on that money, yeah, that dumb shit. Pistol pack, I don't slag, sell a stack, it's fun, bitch. Jump up in the lag, delete the top, and then I'm gone, bitch. Rims looking big, plus some hoses wrapped in chrome, bitch. Y'all leave me alone, bitch. I be cheap for known, bitch. Something feeling strong, bitch. What you dealing on, bitch? What I'm dealing can get you straight paid, bitch. Prescriptions, addictions in every way, bitch. Yeah, I'm vicious with rap, so get them away, bitch. I let them spray, bitch. I'm talking them punks and them K shit. Them texting 45s and them deuce and them 25s. Niggas don't wanna ride. This is a lyrical homicide. Do or die, you and I. Call your cool out at as well, cause I'm blowing on this L. Got a nigga high as hell.
Do or die. Nigga, we coming up at it, we ready to ride, ho. Y'all fucking with us, we gripping that popo, nigga, the burning that dro, ho. Never to giving a fuck about the provo, the popo. Fuck what you be talking about, I know that you a homo.
I know that you a homo, for me I got this fofo. But keep that on the low, don't let the police know, bro. Cause if they find out that I got all this weed in the snow, they gon' come and hit me. Yeah, they gon' come kick in the dough and get the work and take the dough. And I can't afford the shit. Me, I'm a navigator, man can Honda cord the shit. He be on that broke shit, that nigga can afford the shit. Me, I'm on that boss, bitch, what the fuck you want, ho? Jump on and jump off, bitch, fuck me fast and fuck me slow. I don't fuck with ugly hoes, niggas look like Gumby, bro. I be smoking dro, keep me feeling like funny and slow. Cause I been sipping the lean, now what you know, what you know?
What you know, you know we got that codeine. And we sipping on that codeine and it got me only. Got the caddy, drop the screens, and you know we got the green. We don't give a fuck about you, bitch. When this other team, we came in, sit in, smoke in, keep going, keep flowing, keep growing. Nigga, you know, keep smoking. Got my boy, Big Chris, jump up in them big whips. Nigga, fucking all your chicks and give him up a fat dick.
Got a big house, big shits, fat titties, big tits. Man, nigga, I fuck with smack splits.
Twist the split quick, twist the split quick. Jumping up on that seco, we don't care, we go straight with.
I get in it, get corrected, get perfected. Cause they talking like they bad. Get the rappers will select it, cause the selection is wild. My niggas are so wild, my niggas are smoke bro. Just call that a dro smile. We so out there, y'all niggas ain't nowhere. I be blowing dro smoke all up in your hoes here. I don't really care, I'ma bring them hoes over here. Popping on that rose, they got me rolling over here.
A homo, a hobo, I'm Debo. I take whatever you got, I punk you with a damn Glock. Pop, pop, set up shot, drop, then I'm gone, nigga. Cause I don't give a fuck, you know that weed smoke is strong, nigga.
Yeah.
Strong, nigga.
We tried to give him a chance, man. I'm getting my pay from Ye, this shit is advanced, man. And nothing get financed, man. This shit right here get paid, ho. More than them bitches like Play-Doh. My niggas a fuck with, yeah, yo. Pistol lines, we soldiers, we blowing on that doja. Get away and get rolled over. I pulled up in that Rover, blow like a supernova. Them somas in a coma, you know what? I'ma show up, and the liquor's what I pour up.
Yeah.
Big bad buck, motherfucker.
Grouch and Big Chris.